Hello, I'm Elise. Welcome to Connection Meditations. I'm going to answer the question, meditation, why do it? And it's an answer that has two main focuses. One is the physical representation of meditation, as in it helps the body to relax. It helps the brain to actually relax. And in doing so, we've got lower incidences of depression within people who meditate, reduced anxiety. We've got you're able to sleep better, right? You're able to focus more easily on what you're doing. And then, from there, there's these flow-on effects. If you're sleeping better and you're feeling good within yourself, you're less anxious or less depressed, obviously you're not going to be doing the emotional eating. You're not going to be numbing out and watching so much TV or whatever it is, gaming or whatever it is. You're going to be more present to yourself. You're going to be more aware of what's going on within you, and you're going to have more courage to face difficult situations as well. So it really does lend to empowering those who meditate. It also aids with understanding who you are, right? Because you've got to have both. Otherwise, it's a false sense of empowerment, or it doesn't come from truth within. It comes from a place that is created by the mind, and like creating a character within you. So this comes from this connected and rather free place that just says, I just want to be me, right? Meditation, it really does help you to be grounded, to be here, and to be in life, to live it, right? To live it. And then you've got the other aspect, which is the beautiful connection part, the energy, that place which is so deep within you, that often a lot of spiritual backgrounds, they speak about, or modalities, they speak about, you go so deep within yourself that you can actually have that connection with the universe, right? It's that unknown place where you can you tap into that which is beyond the mind, beyond you and your problems, beyond all that exists in this world, to show you the truth, whatever that is, as you explore meditation. It can be a very esoteric experience, and there are many people who have gained spiritual gifts, right? Gifts that are more esoteric in nature, right? So some people can see things that others can't, or hear things that others can't. They might have, whatever it is. So that can come as well, like psychic abilities, and but it begs the question to be asked of, if that's the case, I wonder if it was there all along and we just couldn't hear it or see it or be it because we had so much tension and restrictions and blocks within us by not stopping or by not doing these practices that resonate most with you. So anyway, so that's it's just fascinating, and it's something that it goes hand in hand with each other. So you've got the physical aspect, and you can see the difference that meditation can have on someone, and it has with my life as well. And you've got the other aspect, particularly those who are like curious. Is there something more? Like, why Why should I meditate? Yeah, just to sit still and watch my thoughts. Like, there is this other aspect there too, which helps guide us through the crap, the bull crap, to get to the truth. That there is something more, and everyone experiences it differently. But the life you know is one thread, one tiny little aspect of the whole. And when you sit in wholeness, when you sit in openness to experience or to see or to feel a little more of that wholeness than what you experienced before, well, that's also the beauty and the gift of meditation, the freedom, the going so deeply within, the boundlessness of it, and the often passion, creativity, love, depth, all of that can also be felt in meditation. So it is a gift for yourself to be able to do meditation, and also a gift for those who you love and who are in your life right now and those to come. All right, that's all I want to say on that. I hope you all doing fabulously, and I will see you in the next video.